Welcome. This 4-minute video will help you get ready for our first lesson. It should answer all your questions, but if it doesn't, please text or call me right away. The first thing you'll need is Skype, a free and very well-known video conferencing program. Make sure you have the latest and greatest version on your computer. Check to see if you can find an update for the program within the program itself. On Windows machines, look under the Skype Help menu. On Macs, look under the Skype drop-down menu. But if your computer has a very out-of-date version of Skype that you haven't updated in at least a year, you'll probably have to uninstall the old version and then reinstall the newest version from the Skype.com website. Be sure you use the downloadable program and not the purely internet-based version of Skype, because the browser-based version lacks many of the features that the downloadable version has. My Skype username or handle is xcanvasser, and I'll spell it out for you. X as in X-ray, C-A-N as in Nancy, V as in Victor, A-S-S-E-R. Xcanvasser. You'll find it easier to send me a contact request using my Skype handle than trying to search for me by name. I had no idea there were so many Mark Schuyler's in the world until I started using Skype. If you have trouble sending me a contact request, let me know and I'll send you one. Just be sure to text or email me your exact Skype username. After you take care of Skype, make sure you bookmark my website for easy access. My site contains a password-protected region that'll give you access to a wealth of material ranging from my complete curriculum to videos and handouts, not to mention important quizzes that I've developed to speed understanding and focus your attention on the most important concepts tested by the college entrance exams. Another feature that's very important on my website is my online whiteboard. Be sure you can click on the whiteboard on my main menu and log on. If you find that the whiteboard will not load, you probably have to update Flash on your computer. Your browser might prompt you to do this, but if it doesn't, once again, you may have to update your computer from the adobe.com website by downloading a fresh copy of Flash. It's a good idea to keep your computer as up-to-date as possible. Other materials that you should have at hand for Lesson 1 include a notebook and pencils, not pens, pencils, and a good graphing calculator, such as the Texas Instruments, well, they call it the TI-84. I'll provide any other necessary material that you do not possess in terms of practice tests and study guides. I have a couple of final words of advice, and then you'll be good to go on Lesson 1. Always reboot your computer, especially if it's a laptop, before each and every lesson. Skype makes use of so many of your computer's capabilities, including its video camera, its microphone, its internet connection, its chat box capabilities, etc., that it'll act temperamental if you don't restart your computer just before the lesson begins. I look forward to beginning our journey. It'll be fun, and it will raise your scores. We'll be working together face-to-face in no time. See you soon online.